here we have a Trello board with different lists, and each list have some cards. And you can have multiple workspace and multiple boards in your account. In this template, you follow the tutorial from Trello to get the API token and API key. Sometimes they change the process how you can get the token and key, but it's always standard and you can find the document on Trello developers. Once you have fixed this, you go to Trello and say fetch boards, and it will fetch all the boards that you have access to. So I have access to two workspace, and in combined both the workspace, I have these many boards. Now I want to see all the cards of the business board and maybe CRM pipeline board. So I mark both as yes, and then say fetch all cards. Now if you go to the cards, we see we have from the business board to-do list, doing list, review, to-do has three cards. If we come here, so to-do, doing, review, three cards. So it fetches all the details that is present in your Trello boards.